I will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. No calculators allowed. Let's go. First question. So again, this is paper 1 type of questions. Paper 1 practice. Alright. Okay, question number 1. You can see the questions on your screen as well. This one is very simple. A tap can fill a tank completely in 15 minutes. What fraction of the tank can the tap fill in 1 minute? Let me shift this a little, okay? Okay, there we go. You can see everything now. Perfect. Okay. What happened to my music? Disappear again. This Kahoot is funny. Soka, good job. Friends on Instagram, I'm really sorry. I forgot your names. Can you type it in? I think I don't want to call your parents' names actually. Okay, the Kahoot code is 2161174. For those of you who just joined, welcome. My name is Coach Shahira. We are going through questions that usually appear in PSLE paper 1. No calculators allowed. We are down to the second question. Okay, we are done with the first question. So let's take a look at why it is 1 over 15. 117 of you got that right. That is fantastic. Very, very wonderful there. Let's take a look. Okay, let's see. Glowing giraffe, nice one. Okay, let's see why this is 117, okay? All you got to do is divide it by 15. Because I want 1 minute, that's all. Okay? So 15 minutes is 1 tank. 1 minute you divide by 15 throughout, you will get 1 out of 15 of a tank. Everybody okay? Can we move on? Who not okay? If you are okay, I'm going to move on, alright? Ready, ready, ready. Oh, if you are in Sec 4, I welcome you to join us. So, alright, let's go. Okay, let's go. A lot of W's for you guys today. 117 of you. Nice one. Okay, next one. Question number 2. The figure is made up of 9 identical squares. What fraction of the figure is not shaded? Not shaded, huh? For the orange one, it says 7 over 18. Okay, if you can't see, it says 7 over 18. 15 more seconds. Alright, let's see. Okay. Alright, very nice. Ooh, 130 of you are online right now. That's great. Okay, so the circle is not right because we want not shaded. Okay, we want not shaded. Alright, so for those of you who forgot to read, it says not shaded here, yeah? Alright, maybe we can get our Mr. Ariel to help us off the light, please. Okay, Mr. Ariel is not listening. Okay, let's move on. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so let me show you why. Let me show you why. Thanks. Okay, I think it's a bit clearer. Thank you. Okay, wrap it up. Nice one. Let's take a look at why it is 7 over 18. All you got to do is remember this, friends. Remember this. You should ensure equal parts. Okay, you must have equal parts. So cut the figure up into its equal parts. Okay, so the square here, you just cut it into triangles. Count the triangles, count the unshaded parts. So you will have 11 over 18. Okay, everybody good? Okay, all you got to count is the unshaded parts. The one that I'm counting here is unshaded. So I have 11 unshaded triangles out of total 18 triangles. Alright? Okay, everybody good? Is there a typo? Did I make any mistake? No, right? Sorry. I thought somebody is saying I got typo. I don't think so, right? Am I? Okay, anyway. Once again, for those of you who just joined, welcome. My name is Coach Shahira. If you would like to get your hands on our worksheet, you can go on to our Telegram channel at MasterMaths PSLE. Otherwise, if you want to join our or rewatch our live classes, you can head on to YouTube at MasterMathsTV, okay? Alright. So, we ready, friends? Can move on already, right? It's not counting squares here because I got triangles. So I got to make sure I have equal parts first. Square and triangle not equal. So cut it into triangles first. Okay, friends? Alright. All good? Can we move on? I just want to say something real quick. If your Kahoot is disconnected, don't press anything. When we go to the next question, it will auto-reconnect. Okay, so don't press anything, auto-reconnect, yeah? Otherwise, you will lose all your scores. Okay, let's move on. Let's go. Question number 3. This is a puzzle. I want to arrange the fractions from the smallest to the biggest. I have 2/3. If you can't see, it's 2/3, 3 over 7, 7 over 8. 2/3, 3 over 7, 7 over 8. Okay, 2/3, 3, 7, 7 over 8. Two-thirds, 3 over 7, 7 over 8. Alright, so all you got to do is rearrange the pieces. Okay, smallest on top, biggest at the bottom. This one, foundation friends also can join. Okay, you can also try this one. Alright, you have 20 more seconds. Ready? 20 more seconds. Okay. The code is right here, 2161174. Alright? 2161174. Okay? Alright. Okay. So, let's take a look, yeah? Okay, so how to solve this question? 42 of you got it right. Let me explain. Okay, why we want to first compare in terms of whether they are more than half or less than half is so that we can see which one is the smallest. Okay, so let's take a look. So first one, I got 2/3, 3 over 7, 7 over 8. I know that 3 over 7 is less than half. Everybody agree? 3 out of 7 is less than half. Right? 3 over 7 is less than half, correct? Therefore, it is number 1 because everything else is bigger than half. So it's bigger than 3 over 7, okay? Then we just compare 2/3 and 7 over 8. Change into out of 24, we realize, hey, 2/3 is only 16 out of 24. Whereas 7 over 8 is 21. So we know 2/3 is second and 7 over 8 is third, okay? So the answer is 3 over 7 followed by 2/3 by 7 over 8. Alright? Yes, you can. No problem. We cannot use calculator, yeah, over here, paper 1, okay? Now, friends, I want to share with you a very useful trick here. Super duper useful. I hope you can remember this trick because it will save you so much time. Okay? So much time. Let me explain to you this useful trick. When you have numerator versus denominator differ by only 1, meaning I have 1 out of 2, 5 over 6, 9 over 10, 11 over 12, your denominator is bigger than your numerator by 1, then you can rearrange them like normal numbers. So half is going to be less than 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is less than 3 over 4. 3 over 4 is less than 4/5. 4/5 is less than 5/6. Okay, this is very, very useful. So if I know that, I would know that, hey, 2/3 versus 7 over 8. 2/3 will be less than 7 over 8 just by I power. Okay, I'll be able to know that just by I power. If my numerator is less than denominator by 1. The smaller the numbers, the smaller the fraction. Okay, so 7 over 8 is going to be way bigger than 2/3. Got it? So this is a very useful trick. If you remember this trick, you can use I power to solve. Okay? Alright. Everybody good? Can we move on? Ready? Okay, are you enjoying this? P5 also can. This question, P5 also can. P6 also can. Okay? If you don't understand this trick, no problem. Make denominators the same. Okay? Make denominators the same to compare. So 3 and 8 change into 24. 2 over 3 is 16 over 24. 7 over 8 is 21 over 24. Okay? Okay? So 16 over 24 is smaller. Therefore, it is number 2. This one is less than half. Confirm is number 1. Yeah? This one a bit too tough for P1. Huh? Okay? Alright, friends. Let's move on. Ready? Okay. Alright. Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's live. My name is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. Today we are down to our question number 4. We are moving on to question 4 of our Kahoot quiz. The game pin, if you would like to join, is 216-1174. Okay? Okay? Can? If we use I power, how we know 3 over 7 is lesser? Because 3 over 7 is less than half, my dear. 3 over 7 is less than half. Okay? This 2 is way more than half. So, confirm bigger. Got it? Okay. Alright, let's move on. Okay, question number 4 now. I want to have the figures that have exactly 2 lines of symmetry. Exactly 2 lines of symmetry. Okay, exactly 2. Let's go. Okay. Alright, last second. Okay, some of you didn't have enough time. This one must do very fast, okay? Now, 31 of you got this right. Excellent job. Let's take a look at the leaderboard first, shall we? How come the screen suddenly becomes so blue? But it's okay. Let's continue, Let's go. Okay. Ooh, Rocky Lark is now number 1. Very good. Remember to try and get first place so that you can get your $10 voucher, okay? Alright, let's go. Now, the solution here is very straightforward. You just look for your lines of symmetry, okay? So, the first one has 2 lines of symmetry, diagonals. The second one is a vertical and horizontal. The third one cannot be in the answer because I got 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, I got 4 lines of symmetry. The 2 diagonals plus a horizontal plus a vertical. Alright, the code is, for those of you who wants to join right now, the code is 216-1174. Alright? Okay, there are, I think, 11 questions here if I'm not wrong. Okay? Alright, are we ready? I don't know why the music suddenly disappeared again. Okay, shall we move on? Alright, friends, if you would like to get your hands on our worksheet, so all these are from where? From our worksheet. If you want to get your hands on them, you can go on to our Telegram channel at MasterMaths PSLE. Okay, friends? Alright, ready to move on? Ready. Okay, let's go. Let's aim to finish at 8:30. Not 8 o'clock, 8:30, okay? Alright, let's go. Question number 5 now. In the figure, AB, CD, and EF are straight lines. Find angle AOE. AOE, this missing one here. Okay, find it. We have 43 degrees, 45 degrees, 49 degrees, and 88 degrees. Let's go. No calculators allowed, yeah? Arash, good job. Okay, let's see. Alright. There are 11, yes. Thank you, Arash. Not Arash. Yes, it is 11 questions, yes. Okay. Alright. Hi, Alvina. I saw your TikTok. Yes, please text me about it. Eager to know. Alright, friends, the answer is 45 degrees. You are right. Now, for those of you who said that COE is 90, just because it looks 90 doesn't mean it is actually 90, okay? You cannot just assume that it is 90. Alright, so how to solve? We will go through that in a second. The answer is indeed 45 degrees. Now, let's take a look at our leaderboard first. Ooh, Rocky Lark is still number 1. Friends, let's try to overtake Rocky Lark, okay? Let's try. Alright, so how to solve this? Very simple. Because we got straight lines, remember the X, right? What we can use is vertically opposite angles. So, 92 degrees at the top is 92 degrees at the bottom as well. Okay, vertically opposite. Then you use angles on a straight line. 180 minus 43 minus 92 gives us 45. Alright, yes, vertically opposite angles. Okay? Alright, what is blur here, my dear? What is very blur? Let me see if I can shift this around, okay? Does that work? I'm not so sure. If on Instagram it's blur, oopsies. If on Instagram you can't see, you hop on over to TikTok, okay? Yes, your grandmother can attend this, of course. Your grandmother can attend, no problem. Okay, so this one is the fastest method, okay? 180 minus 92 minus 43, pop, get answer, that's all. If you want to use other methods, no problem. The answer is still 45 degrees. Alright. Okay, 92 plus 43, and then you take 180 minus answer, also can. Okay, friends, let's move on. For those of you who just joined, welcome. Here I am. Welcome, my name is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. We are now going on to question number 6 of our Kahoot quiz. The questions here are typically found in Paper 1 PSLE Standard, okay? PSLE Math Standard Paper 1. Try your best to solve without calculators because you can't use calculators in Paper 1, alright? Okay, if you would like to join right now, the PIN is 216-1174. 216-1174, okay? Alright, friends, ready to move on? Okay, I'm sure you guys are excited. Let's go on to question number 6. Question 6 now. Okay, let's take a look. Question 6. 3 years ago, Ken was 2 years old. How old will he be in 4 years' time? 4 years' time. How old will he be in 4 years' time? You guys can do this. Very simple. Can do one. Don't give up, okay? There's 15 seconds left. Heather, you try again. Try again. Oh, yeah. There are 67 of you who got it right. Very good. Now, this one cannot be 2p plus 4. Quite a number of you got that. Because 2p is 3 years ago. Okay? Because 2p is 3 years ago. So you got to find now first, which is 2p plus 3. So you got to read the question. Okay? Read the question. Alright, let's be nice in the comments, yeah? Okay? Let's move on. Okay, Rocky Luck is still number 1. Let's go. Okay. Alright, let's take a look at the solution here. So one more time. 3 years ago is 2p, right? So right now you got to add 3. That's 2p plus 3. And then 4 years' time, you add another 4. So you will get 2p plus the 7. Okay? Alright. I have no idea who Rocky Lark is. I think he knows who he is. But I would like to take a pause here and tell you guys that we are going to have a mock exam. If you want to know how you guys are doing, you want to sit for the mock exam before your prelims. You want to see where are some areas you can improve on. You can go and sign up at store.mastermaths.com.sg, okay? To sign up for the maths paper, it's only $47. Pretty cheap in the market, I would say. So please try your best to sign up. We will mail out the results for you if you are not our MasterMaths students, okay? So if you are not MasterMaths students, you want to sit for a mock exam in for PSLE, you want to see where you can improve on. This is during the June holidays, 22nd of June for math. Go ahead and sign up at store.mastermaths.com.sg. Okay, friends? Alright. Okay, it's only $47. You can get your parents to sign you up if you are not our MasterMaths students. Good news for MasterMaths students, you can get it for free. So, if you are not MasterMaths students, faster sign up first, okay? Alright. Okay, I will repeat this one more time. 3 years ago, you are 2p. Okay, right now, you age 3 years, right? So you have to add 3 because you age 3 years for right now. Then 4 years' time, you add another 4, okay? For 4 years' time, you add another 4. Your answer will be 2p plus the 7. Got it? Can? Can everybody understand? Okay. Any questions? Okay, one more time, because it is, you got to find right now first. You bring forward the age, so plus 3, and then you find 4 years later, plus another 4, okay? Alright, again friends, if you don't understand algebra, change into normal numbers. If let's say Ken is 5 years old, 3 years ago, 2 years old, right? 4 years later will be 5 plus 4, 9. So from 2 to 9, you add 7, okay? Alright, let's go. Question number 7. You guys are very eager to move on. Let's go. Question 7. Double points here, okay? Double points. Find the sum of all the factors of 81. This one you got to go and take out your pencil and paper, fill in all the factors and find the sum, okay? Let's go. Find the sum of all the factors of 81. No calculators allowed. Alright. You have slightly over 1 minute left. Okay. I see some correct answers in the chat. Not bad. So proud of you guys. Very good. Okay. How long is it expected to finish one question on in paper 1? Is that your question? Okay. Later I will talk about it, okay? I will talk about it in a second. Let's solve this one first. We have 1 more minute. The voice sounds different from TikTok and Instagram is because I'm using a mic for TikTok. So if you cannot really hear clearly, you can move on to TikTok, okay? Do I think PSLE is hard? It is definitely manageable. 85% of the paper, at least 85%, all got teach before 1. So you must revise, okay? Don't fat fingers accidentally click wrongly, okay, friends? Okay, let's take a look. I'm not capping. At least 85% of the paper all got teach 1, okay? So you can score. Alright. If fractions is my weakest, what do I work on? You got to go back to your basics. Think about comparing fractions, looking at the different concepts in fractions, like remainder concept, equal concept, all these must know, okay? So you can work on all these concepts related to fractions, yeah, friends? Okay, so this question here, 57 of you got that right. There are 21 of you who got this wrong. Okay, as expected, I know why. Confirm plus chop. You all went to add the 9 2 times, right? You all went to add the 9 2 times. That one is not correct, okay? So let's take a look at how to solve after we see the leaderboard. Ooh, Rocky Lar, what happened? You're no longer number 1. Okay, legend. I won't even read this because I don't want to read wrongly. Not English class. This person got it for first place right now. So well done. Okay, let's move on. Okay, from 8 to podium. Very good because of the double points, right? Okay, I do not teach uni math. I only teach primary school math. But our center, at MasterMaths, we have Sec P1 all the way to Sec 4, okay? This is not one-to-one. We do not have one-to-one sessions. But we do have group sessions in our classes, okay? Alright, hi, for those of you who just joined, welcome. My name is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths, welcome. We are down to the last few questions of our practice today. Let's take a look at the solution for question number 7. We have 11 questions today, okay? 11. Okay, question number 7. So a lot of you got this wrong because I believe you guys went to add the 9 2 times just because you see double factors of the 9 here. But I cannot add 2 times because 9 alone is a factor, okay? So we don't say the factor of 81 is 9 and 9. Doesn't make sense. Don't need to repeat. So we do not repeat the 9. Therefore, the answer is 1 to 1, okay? So I just list down the factors, add them all up. We will get 121. Alright, friends? Okay, we will end after we finish all the 11 questions, okay? Once again, if you would like to try this before coming to the session, you would like to try and get all your answers before the Kahoot quiz, then you can go ahead and get your worksheets on MasterMaths PSLE, okay? All right. Oh, you were from ACS Primary. This is adapted ACS Primary question. Adapted, huh? All right, let's go on. Next one. Okay, another quiz. Another quiz. Ain, Ben, and Chen have an average of $36. Ain has $50. Ben and Chen have the same amount of money. Go and calculate Ben. How much does Ben have? Okay, some of you have seen this before. That is wonderful. Danish, good job. Good job, Danish. Arash, good job. Are you guys gaining confidence from the questions here? I hope you are. Easy, some of you saying easy. Then good. Aim for accuracy. If it's easy for you, then aim for accuracy. Okay? Not so sure why it's blue now. Oh, here we are. Okay, there we go. Alright, Neila, nice one. Our Sec 1 friend, you are correct. Yes, I do teach P4 Math. Yes, I am a teacher. I am Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. Okay? Okay, friends, are we ready? Okay, we have 54 more seconds. Let's try not to spam the answer so that some of our friends can teach us. Can try also, okay? Alright. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Don't forget your macaroni. Oh, that's cute. Okay, for those of you who just joined, you have already solved and you are interested in our center. Let me give you yet another introduction. My name is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. We are a center that caters to P1 all the way to Sec 4 or Sec 5 level, okay? So if you would like to join our center for a free, completely free, no need to pay money, trial lesson, go ahead to mastermaths.com.sg to register your interest, okay? We have 4 centers, Woodlands, Tampines, Farrer Park, and one more opening in July, Jurong East, okay? Okay, friends, a lot of you already got correct, $29, excellent job. Only a handful of you did not get it right, so let's talk about this question. 58, if you got 58, only half right, you have to remember to divide by 2 because I only want one person. Okay, let's take a look at the leaderboard now. Ooh, this legend person is still up there, nice. Personally, I teach P4, P5, P6 at this for this year, okay? But I'm a primary school, I'm the math specialist in MasterMaths, if you are wondering. Yes. Okay, we teach P1 to P6 and then Sec 1 all the way to Sec 5. Okay, let's go. Next one. Okay, the solution here very simple. If I got average, I have 3 people, I can find the total. So I will find the total for the 3 people first. Then I know the total for B and C. Because A is already $50, I take it away, I'm left with B and C. Since they have equal, I divide by 2. That's how I get Ben as $29. Okay? 58 is for 2 people. So I need to divide by 2. Got it? Alright. Can so far? Thank you for all your kind words. I am reading it and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, friends, let's move on. Okay, let's go. Wow, Danish in 4th, Danish sister in 5th place. Not bad. Okay, let's take a look. You don't even have $29. They are so rich. Save money, okay? Don't have $29, no problem. We can save money. Thank you. Neila, thank you. Let's move on. Once again, if you would like to watch our previous live classes, you realize, alamak, prelim is coming up. I don't remember this, I don't remember that. Go ahead to our YouTube channel. Look at our previous videos, okay, at MasterMathsTV. Alright, friends, let's move on. Question number 9 now. This one, you got to type your answer, okay? And we got double points again. Double points again. Our normal academic math class, you can join our express classes also. Okay? Yeah, you can. Jen, that's not very nice of you to say that. If you do not like it, you can scroll away. Okay, Jen? Hey, friends, you got to type your answer. The question is right here. Let me zoom in for you. The difference between a 2-digit and a 3-digit whole number is 25. What is the smallest possible sum? Okay, smallest possible sum. Yes, we are doing Kahoot for the whole session. Okay, Heather is asking if it's more effective to write notes and revise or do paper to revise. I would say both. Write notes, look through the notes, then use those notes to do paper. Okay? Oh, thank you very much for subscribing to us. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, this year, I'm not teaching in Jurong East. Next year only then, okay? Okay, Fees, you are not you're not right. Fees, try again, Fees. Don't forget to look for the smallest sum. Okay? Look for the smallest sum. There are, I think, after this one, no more double points, unfortunately. Uh-oh. Let me see. Oh. Okay, friends, I just received some notification about our live class violating some restrictions. I'm not so sure why, because we are just a community of learners here. So I hope you guys can help me share this live, spam like button, so that we can bring this forward to more of our audience, okay? Thank you so much. Really, really appreciate it. Okay, thank you so much, everybody. You guys are so nice. Okay, let's take a look. The correct answer is 175. And let's see, 35 of you got it right. So let's take a look at why. Oopsies. Why it is 175, okay? Hang on, Oh no. Okay, let me see if I move these, then you guys can see already or not. Okay, should be fine now. Okay, legend is still number 1. Thank you very much. Let me explain this question, okay? I'm sure some of you are a little bit confused. Let me explain here. Now, because I want the smallest sum, I need the bigger number, the 3-digit, to be very, very small, right? Okay. Ariel, can I get your help again? Musa, can I get your help, please? Thank you. The light is blinding the screen. Thanks a lot. Thanks, friends. Okay. All right. One more time. If I want a small sum, thank you. If I want a small sum, I want the bigger number to be very small as possible, right? As small as possible, then I can have a small sum, correct? Understand? So my smallest 3-digit number, smallest possible, is 100. So what I do is I take 100 minus 25. I will get the 2-digit number, 75. Okay? So 100 plus the 75, I get 175. Okay, everybody? Alright, thank you very much. Oh, our numbers dropped again. I think it's because of the restriction. I'm not so sure why they are doing this to us, but it's okay. Thank you very much for still staying by, okay? Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Okay, friends, everybody understand this solution? Okay, I hope you guys are learning well. Everybody good? Thank you so much. You guys, a lot of kind words here. So nice. Love it. So empowering. Love it. Okay, friends. So, any questions here? I'm so sorry, Ariel. The light is blinding our screen again. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so any questions here? If not, thank you so much for staying by. Oh, maybe that's why. It's okay. It's okay, Soka. That's fine. Okay, haters be hating, right? It's fine. Okay, friends. So, one more time. I want a small sum. So, I take the 3-digit to be the smallest, which is 100. Then, I find a 2-digit number because the difference is 25. I minus 25. I will get 75 as my 2-digit number. I find the sum, 175. Okay? Alright, so once again, if you would like to join our mock exam, okay, we are in the midst of finalizing the paper right now. If you would like to join our mock exam to see where you stand and what are your areas for improvements, go ahead to our website here, store.mastermaths.com.sg, to go ahead and sign up, okay? If you're our MasterMaths students, it's completely free for you, okay? Thank you everybody for all your likes. I really appreciate it, especially on TikTok. We just got a restriction violation. I'm not so sure why. I believe maybe some people are not very happy, and then they go and, I don't know, report us, but it's okay. It's okay. We can all learn together, continue learning, okay? Alright, question 9 here. Let's move on. Okay, our company is not new actually. Alright, yes, I can go on. Alright, friends, let's go. Question number 19. Not 19. This question is a true, false, not possible to tell question, okay? Alright, the total value of all the $10 notes was more than the total value of all the $5 notes at first. Is it true? Is it false? Or is it not possible to tell? Okay, Jen had 3 more $5 notes than $10 notes. She paid $15 for a meal using 3 pieces of notes. Okay? Alright, Heather, try your best, okay? Alright. It's okay. Thaddeus, nothing happened. Let's move on. Okay. Alright. So what is this answer here? I used 3 pieces. I give you a clue, okay, friends? I used 3 pieces of notes. What are the 3 pieces of notes? In fact, I can only use this in the second question. I'm so sorry. 3 more $5 note than $10 notes. Use that first line to help you. Alright. Okay, 29 of you got this right. I show you why in a second. Okay? I show you why in a second. Sorry, Danish, only the first place winner can get $10 voucher. Okay? Alright, friends, I will show you why in a second. Let's move on to part B of the question. Okay? Same thing here. She has 3 more $5 notes than $10 notes. And then she spent 3 pieces. Ooh, Agile Gator, nice one. Okay, let's take a look. Part B. Try now. She has 4 more $5 notes than $10 notes in the end. Oh, suddenly got the music. I will explain in a second, okay? I explain together, one whole shot. Okay, correct or wrong or don't know this one. True, false, not possible to tell. Which one is it? Yes, you will get the answers. If you sign up for the mock exam, you will get your papers back as well. We will mark it, we will mail it out to you, okay? Alright. For those who just joined, welcome. My name is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. I teach at MasterMaths. We have 4 centers, Tampines, Woodlands, Jurong East opening in July, and Farrer Park, if that is what you're asking, okay? Alright. Yes, Haj, you are correct. Okay, one last second. Let's take a look. The answer is true. Uh-oh, only 12 people got this right. Okay, by the way, this actually came out in one of the prelim papers for a school last year. Okay, very similar question. Similar. This is adapted. Let's take a look. Okay, Agile Gator is still number 1. Let's see. Oops, sorry. Let's see why, okay? Okay, the first one, not possible to tell because there are 2 possibilities. If let's say, because I don't know how many, right? So maybe I have one $10 versus 4 $5. The difference is still 3, right? But this time round, the $5 is more. Okay, if this is my numbers, 1 versus 4, the $5 is more. It has a value of $20. But if let's say I change the values 5 and 8, suddenly the $10 become more. It has a higher value. So, because there is a difference, or rather, there is a possibility of a true, possibility of a false, it will become not possible to tell. This part understand? Everybody clear for the first one? Okay, there are 2 cases here, okay? The first case is a false when my numbers are as such. The second case is a true when my numbers are as such. Hence, it becomes not possible to tell, okay? There are possibilities of it being true, of it being false as well. Okay? Not possible to tell. Alright, fantastic. Thank you so much for all the likes. Really appreciate it actually. Let's go on to part B here. Part B. Jen had 4 more $5 notes than $10 notes in the end. This one very simple. At first I got 3. I'm going to come into the camera and explain to you, okay? At first I got 3 more $5 notes. Because I used up one of them, suddenly I got 2 more only. Because I used up one of them, suddenly I got 2 more only. But my $10 notes, I also used 2 of them. So now I increase my gap to become 4 more. Okay? Alright, so at first I got 3. I take away 1 because I used the $5 for that $15 item, right? For the $15 meal. And then later on, I use the $10 2 pieces. So now the new difference is up here and up till here. Basically from here to there, that's 4 pieces. That's why it's true, okay? She paid $15, she used 3 pieces. So it must be a 10 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, one more time. At first she got 3 more $5 notes. 3 more, at first. I use up one of them, I cover. So I'm left with 2 pieces extra. But later on, the $10, I also use 2 pieces. So my new difference is from here all the way to there. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay? Okay? I understand you don't understand. What are you trying to explain? What do you mean by I understand you don't understand? Means you understand, I don't understand? What? I don't get it. Okay, everybody take a look. Oh, yes. Oh, my. Okay, sorry, friends. Sorry. I am so sorry. I just realized. We will discuss this question later, okay? Ken, I am so sorry. I realized there is an error. The error is, it is supposed to be $25 meal, not $15 meal. Okay? I am so sorry there is an error. It's supposed to be $25 meal. My bad. I am so sorry. Everybody makes mistakes. Please forgive me. Let's move on. Okay? It's a $25 meal, not a $15 meal. I'm so sorry, my friends. Oopsies. Okay? I am so sorry. Let's move on. Thank you so much for being so kind to me. I am so sorry. It's supposed to be $25 meal. Fat fingers, I go and press 1 instead of 2. I am so sorry. But in the case of $25, this is the explanation, okay? Because it's $25, you use $10 plus $10 plus $5. Okay? Thank you so much. You're so kind. I really love it. Let's move on. I'm so sorry, okay, friends? Thank you. Okay, let's go. Okay, this one, ignore. Okay, I'm so sorry. It's supposed to be 25. I accidentally pressed 15 instead. 对不起, forgive me. Sorry, let's move on. Okay, let's go. Where is my next button? Okay, next one, Okay, next one. Part A. All the boys are heavier than all the girls. This one, true, false, or not possible to tell. The average of the girls is 35, average of the boys is 45. Oh. Sorry. What happened here? I'm so sorry. What is wrong with my wire? Okay, 1 second, Okay, now should be can already. Why today got so many issues? It's okay. Alright, friends. So, this one is not possible to tell. Okay, 1 second, I'm so sorry. I'm really so sorry. This one, my wire problem. My wire problem, the TikTok problem, this one problem, that one problem. 对不起, let's move on. Let's see if I can shift this around. Okay, sorry, Okay, thank you, Ariel. Nice one. Alright, friends. 对不起, everybody. Sorry. Okay, let's continue. This one, not possible to tell. Why? Very simple. Remember, The average mass of all the girls in a class is 35 kg. The average mass of the boys is 45 kg. But that doesn't mean all the boys must be heavier than all the girls. What if you got an overweight girl and a very skinny boy? Also possible, right? Okay? Also possible, right? If all the girls are skinny, all the boys are not so skinny, yes, true. But if there is one bigger sized girl and one very skinny boy, then this becomes false already. So it's not possible to tell, okay? Yeah, alamak, today really got problem. So sorry, okay, friends? Really, thank you. Thank you so much for your patience. I really appreciate it. Shall we move on to the last two questions? The last two, huh? Agile Gator still number 1, huh? Not bad. Yes, I know Chinese. Okay. Question part B now. Same question this time round. The question says, all the children has an average of more than 35 kg. Okay, this one's second last already. Okay, friends? Second last question already. All the children more than 35 kg average. Is this true, false, or not possible to tell? Okay, let's take a look. Yes, Mika, here, you are right. Okay, 30 of you got this right. Excellent. This one is true. Again, I will explain once later. Okay, hang on a second. So, this time round, class, I'm going to give you a hint for the last question. Okay, everybody listen to me. I'm going to give you a hint for the last question. Listen very carefully. If the girls has averaged 35 kg, the boys average 45 kg, the total must be in the middle. Okay? This is your clue for the last question. Let's go. Okay, Agile Gator still up and running. Not bad. Okay, last one already. The average mass of all of them is more than 45 kg, more than the boys. Is it true, false, or not possible to tell? Just now I mentioned already. Try that. 20 seconds left. Let's take a look. I mentioned this just now. It must be in the middle. Mika here, you are correct. Not bad. Yes, I gave you just now. Believe it or not, somebody confirm get it wrong still. So, I practically gave you answer, actually. You try. So yes, 37 of you got this right. Remember I mentioned the average of everybody must be in the center. Okay, so let me explain to you. Friends, the average of everyone must be in the center. The first one I explained just now already, right? There is a possibility of one boy being lighter than one girl. Okay, so it's not possible to tell. Now for part B and part C together, I explained together. Just remember this. The average of everyone, boys and girls, must be between the average of the girls and the average of the boys. Okay, it must work that way. Okay, the average of the two parts must be at the two ends. The average of the total must be somewhere inside the range here. It must be in the middle. So it must be more than 35. It must be less than 45. Got it? That's why more than 35 is true. More than 45 not true anymore. It must be less than 45. Okay? Okay, everybody? It must be in the center. Not center, but it must be in the range here. Okay? I give you some examples on this side. Okay? If let's say I got two girls, the total is 70. I got two boys. I don't know how many boys and girls. I just give any example. The two boys total is 90. Then the average of all of them is 40, which is in between 35 and 45. Okay? It must be in between because the higher one must pull up their average. That's why it must be more than 35. But the girls with the lower mass will pull down the average. That's why it's in between. Okay, one of them pull up, one of them pull down. That's why it's in between. Got it? Okay, so this one must remember. This actually came out in a school paper as well, in a couple of school papers. Okay, so must remember. Okay, friends? Alright, any questions so far? If not, we have come to the end of our Kahoot activity and our session today. Once again, please sign up for the mock exam if you haven't already. Okay? Please sign up for the mock exam if you haven't already. I would like to just come forward and say thank you very much for everybody's patience today. And despite all the hiccups, you guys still remained and still learned with us. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys are able to take care of yourselves, okay? Drink more water, rest well, and see you guys next week at 7:30 p.m. This is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. See you again next week. If you have any questions, I will stay behind. If you want to chit-chat, I'll stay for a short while, and then I will call it a day, okay? Thank you, everybody. Good night. Bye. Oh, sorry. I forgot. Your top person. The first person. Sorry, I forgot. Our first person. Oh, Rapid Lark is number 3. Agile Gator is number 2. The first person is... got 12 out of 14. Not bad. Legend. Very nice, Legend. Managed to get the first part. The first top position again. Thank you very much. Please remember to take a screenshot. Okay, only the first person can get popular voucher. Huh? Hey, that's not nice. I forgot. Just take a screenshot, DM us, and then we will send you your voucher via mail. Okay, everybody? Okay, thank you, everybody. Good night. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you. Good night. See you next week. Bye-bye. If you have any questions, you can stay and ask. Otherwise, I will end. Bye. Thank you. I won't be around tomorrow, Thaddeus. You will see Coach Irfan tomorrow, okay? The mock exam is for what? It's for you to practice being in an exam scenario, exam situation, and then to also use it as a checkpoint to see what you need to improve on before your actual PSLE, okay? Our next live is on Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. Alright. No, the mock exam is not online. It is at Devan Nair Institute near Jurong East MRT. Walking distance from Jurong East MRT, okay? It really looks like exam, really feels like exam scenario. So you got a booklet with you, you got your calculators, you got everybody around you, you just sit for the exam only. Write your answers, everything, okay? So that is our mock exam for this year, okay? It's not at the center, it's at Devan Nair Institute. Alright? Okay, it costs $47. If you want to sign up, please sign up, okay, everybody? Alright, if you got no other questions, can I end the live already? Oh, Danish is Rapid Lark. That's nice. Danish, congrats. Okay, bye everybody. Good night. Remember to eat well and sleep well. Drink more water. I will see you guys again next week, okay? Thanks. Bye. Good night. Bye.